Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz651 Models, and on the workbench tonight I have this Eduard Scale Plastic Kit Catalogue from 2020. Inside there is pages full of their model kits and all their accessories like their photo etch, their resin and their brassing. If you've not been on this channel before, basically I film these catalogues page by page so that you can enjoy and see what the manufacturers were producing back in the day. So if you want to see this in the best quality possible, I suggest you go to the cog settings, click quality and select 1080p. If you think I'm turning the pages a little bit too quickly, that's alright, because you can slow the video down by going to the cog setting, clicking playback speed and selecting 0.5 or 0.2. You can obviously just click pause at any time and then press play when you've seen the page in all of its glory. Only 10% of the people who watch this channel are subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could just click the subscribe button and ring that bell and select all if you want to be notified on any future videos. I think that's it. So let's have a look at this Eduard Scale Plastic Kit Catalogue for 2020. Enjoy. I think with Eduard is that you get within a kit, especially if you get the Profi kits, you get everything you need to produce a phenomenal model. They put in their kits numerous parts, photo etch, a little bit of resin as well. And if you get like the top end kits, you get this fabulous ending looking kit at the end of your build, because they add all the extras to make it look a little bit more special and a little bit more detailed. So if you've never come across Eduard before, welcome to the Eduard fan club, because I am a bit of a fan. Even though I mostly build Airfix models and Tamiya models, I do like a bit of Eduard indeed. How would you say it? I say Eduard. If you want to say Eduard, that's fine. But, you know, just for because I'm English, I suppose, is Eduard. Eduard is mostly what I say. Right, so let's have a look inside the catalogue. Obviously, you're going to come in and it tells you exactly what you get for each kit. You get a Profi edition, which is their basic high standard plastic kit, and it contains a complete model kit with additional items for sub-variants, photo etch sets, Eduard masks, and large decal sheet covering 4 to 6 markings. The weekend edition is basically everything in the Profi pack apart from the photo etch. You don't get that. You don't get any masking, but I have had a weekend kit before with some masking in there, so the canopy was easily masked. And they, you know, basically they're designed for modelers who don't require or want all the bells and whistles of the Profi kits, okay, or the Profi pack kits. So they're ideal for beginners and they're relatively cheap. Limited edition, these are limited runs, but they come with almost everything that you need, and they basically they sell out in a matter of weeks. Super 44 is their brand new edition of the 1 to 144th scale kits. Basically, they come with a little bit of masking, some decals, and a little small kit. But you can upgrade them if you want with some other photo etch, etc. Then you've got the Royal class, which is self-explanatory. They are in black box, and these are the top kits, and you get 2 kits basically, so you can do like 2 different schemes. All right, so going through, you can see they've got some lovely box art here. So basically a fresh kit means this was released back in 2019, so it's fresh for them. And then if it's red, it means it's going to be a new kit, and it's basically ready for release in 2020. So these kits will be out by now because we're in now 2021. Moving on through, just going to quickly go through because I'm not here to really promote it, because you've already seen what's in there. But I'm just trying to show you the sort of things you can look for in an Eduard kit like this. This is called the Eduard Brassim. They do their own resin wheels. You can see, look at the details there. These are for the gun nose. You know, you get extra pieces for the gun nose. So there's the magazine there. You know, look at the cockpit there. This is all photo etch. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. And so you can buy these to add to help with the detail of your kit that you're building. So there you go. There's a Spitfire Mark 9 wheels. They've got 5 spokes, smooth tire with pattern. Smooth tire, you know, 4 spokes, so you can get all the different types of wheels. You can see there, it's absolutely fantastic. You know, look at the engine here, look at that, absolutely stunning. And this is what you get if you buy all the extra pieces. Moving on through, there you go. There's the Focke-Wulf 190A5, A8 and FA. They do extras for, they've got all this photo etch there for the look at the detail of that. It looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? And this is for 1 to 72 scale, by the way, so you can see how good you can get your model looking. There's some more wheels there, etc. And the propellers, very, very nice. Look at that for a cockpit when it's all done. Stunning. So that's basically where we're at with Eduard. So if you want to, what can I say? If you want to take your model to the next level, then Eduard do numerous photo etch schemes, and they also do the masking for your, they do like a pack of masking tape basically, and it's all cut out so you can do your canopies really easily. So you put them all on, then you just spray on top or paint on top. Stefan is coming back. Apparently that's going to be a Profi pack for 2020. I've seen them for sale. They look really nice. They're doing a MiG 21PF, so that was due out this year. So that looks quite smart, doesn't it? And that's new for 2020. Just look at the detail there. As I said, you know, all these in this catalogue is very, very nice. But I just wanted to, you know, basically just share the sort of things you can do. See, there's the engine all done up nice there with all the photo etch wheels when they're all sprayed up. You can make yourself a really good looking kit by adding all these accessories, etc. from the range from Eduard. The photo etch accessory range: landing flaps, exteriors, colour interiors, undercarriage, bomb bays. There's your painted mask there for your canopies. Look at that. You see, look how well they're well cut out. There's your guns. You can get bombs, drop tanks. Look at that seat for a modern day jet. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Rockets and missiles, jet nozzles, jet engine exhaust nozzles there. And then these are pre-painted, assembled cockpit dashes. And as you can see, they do look absolutely sublime, some of them. And then you can also buy the artwork in print form. And there you go, there's the catalogue index. And they also have the Bunny Fighter Club, which is 50% permanent club discount at the Eduard store, unique valuable club kits and accessories. You need to get a t-shirt as well, and free entry fee on eDay. So www.eduard.com BFC. So you want to join their club, which is very similar to the Airfix club, but you don't get any vouchers or coupons to collect. I think you just get a rounded 10% discount. And there you are. There's the back page with the, just telling you here, they do great photo etch accessories, painted mask, brassing, and also there's if I get this up close, you'll be able to do it. If you want to pause a video and scan that, it will take you to eduard.com online. And there you are. That was the Eduard catalogue for 2020. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.